Hello all. Let us now discuss sets in probability, marginal probability and conditional probability. First, let us try to understand about sets in probability. So this you might have seen in your 10th standard, I guess. In set language, we might have seen these Venn diagrams, right? So consider there are two events, say A and B. So you can see that this is the common region between A and B, which in set it is called as intersection. So in case if I find out A intersection B, this red region is the intersection of A and B, which is nothing but common. So let us understand the concept now. Intersection is represented this way. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, which is nothing but probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. So now in this example, there is something common. So we can find out the probability of A, probability of B, and if we multiply, we will be getting probability of A intersection B. Now assume that there is no exclusive event. What do I mean by that? No exclusive event? Exactly, right? So in case if the events are mutually exclusive, which means what? Yes, A intersection B is equal to 0, which means that there are no elements in common between A and B, right? So this we have discussed. Let us now try to do it with the help of a problem. So now consider a set of natural numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 10. And there are two events. Event A is getting even numbers and event B is getting numbers greater than 7. So let us get that now. Getting even numbers, what are the even numbers from 1 to 10? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Getting numbers greater than 7 means 8, 9 and 10, right? So just I have written the outcome of A and B. In case we have to find out the intersection. How can we find out the intersection? Say A intersection B. So let's see which are all common. 8, 8, 10, 10, right? So A intersection B is equal to 8, 10. So probability of A intersection B is equal to, right? So how many elements are there in A intersection B? 2 out of sample space. What is the sample space? From 1 to 10, right? So it is actually 10. So 2 by 10 is equal to what? Exactly 0.2. In case if I ask you in percentage, what do you say? How much percentage of chance is there to get even number and also to get a number greater than 7? Exactly 20%. So we can say that there is 20% chance of picking a number which is even and also greater than 7. Hope it is clear. Now let us do the next one, union in probability. So what is meant by union? You can see two events A and B. A union B means entire A and B. So now the red region is A union B. So how can we find out P of A union B? P of A plus P of B. Again, remember, P of A intersection B, what did we discuss? P of A into P of B. P of A union B means what? P of A plus P of B. Clear with this? So let us now solve a problem to understand it better. So we have again same 10 natural numbers. We want to find out two events where event A is getting even numbers. What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Event B is getting numbers greater than 7. What are we going to find out? P of A union B. Correct? P of A union B. So let me write A union B is equal to, let's say, I'll write 2, 4, 6, 8, and also you can see there is 9. I'm combining both, right? No need to write 8 again because I have already written it, right? So 8, 9, and 10. So now if I have to find out the probability, P of A union B is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 divided by 10, which is nothing but 0.6. So in case if we say in percentage, exactly. So what do we get? 60% chance, right? Let us now try to understand about marginal probability. So what is marginal probability? So to understand it better, I have taken a data set. You can see that 120 male with pizza, and for female, again for pizza, 150. So totally for pizza, including both male and female, is 270, which is 120 plus 150 is 270. Again for sizzlers also 200 and 110. So together it is 310. So what is the total number here? 310 plus 270 is 580, and add this like how many men data we have here, 200 plus 120, which is 320, 110 and 150, which is 260, correct? So total is basically 580, right? So let us now find out the marginal probabilities, right? We need to find out the marginal probabilities. So all of you can take your calculator. Please take your calculator. Okay. So now let's see. Let's first do for this row. Okay. So what is the total? 270 divided by 580 is the total, right? So if you find out that, what is the answer you're getting? Exactly 0.466. Likewise, find out for this one, 310 divided by 580. Calculate it. I'm waiting for your result. 0.534. So now add these two. 0.534 plus 0.466. So what do you get now? 1. We know that sum of probabilities is always equal to 1, right? So what do we get the answer as? If you add it, you will be getting it like 1, right? So likewise, we will do for column now, right? So can you do it for column now? $320 divided by 580, 0.552. Correct? Likewise, 260 divided by 580, 0.448. Please confirm. So now add these two and confirm whether you're getting 1, which means that you have solved it correctly. So what is meant by marginal probability? Marginal probability is the probability of an event irrespective of the outcome of another variable, right? So you can check with the answers, the same answer only we have got. These are basically marginal probabilities, correct? So let us now try to understand about conditional probability. So conditional probability is written this way, P, A, and then you can see a vertical line here, then B. What does that mean? P of A given B, which means that probability of A given that event B has already happened. So whatever we write after this event has already happened. In that condition, what is the probability of this? Right? So the conditional probability of an event A is the probability that event will occur with the knowledge that event B has already occurred. So the formula is P of A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. You can see that this is A intersection B and this is probability of B. Let's now do a problem to understand it better. Consider two events for rolling a dice. So when we say dice, definitely the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is event A and this is event B. What is the conditional probability of A given B? Right? Shall we solve it now? So let me take the pen now. Okay. So first let us find out A intersection B. So what is A intersection B here? You can see if you take these two, 2 and then 4. Intersection means what? Common, right? So A intersection B is equal to 2, 4. So P of A intersection B is equal to 1, 2 divided by sample space is 6. Let us now find out probability of B. What is probability of B? 1, 2, 3 divided by sample space is 6. Let's go back to the formula now. Probability of probability of A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B, right? So let us now solve it. Probability of A, that's what asked, right? A given B. So probability of A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B is 2 by 6 divided by probability of B, that is 3 by 6, which is nothing but 2 by 6 into 6 by 3. So 6 cancel. What is the answer? 2 by 3. Let's see whether we are correct or not. Yes, you can see that our answer is correct, right? So now what you have to do, you need to find out the conditional probability of B given A. Let me repeat the question. Find out the conditional probability of B given A. Thank you.